To set your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to automatically reconnect to the current Wi-Fi network, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon, tap connection, next tap Wi-Fi, and then under current network section, tap the settings icon next to the Wi-Fi network you are currently connected with. Now tap the gray on off switch next to auto reconnect until the switch turns blue to turn it on. With this setting, each time the selected Wi-Fi network is available, your phone will automatically reconnect to this network. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.